Let's draw a bird. To draw this with me, you'll need some kind of paper or a dry erase board like I have, and then you'll also need something to draw with, either a marker, a crayon, a pencil, or a colored pencil. To start, we're going to make a circle. We're going to want to make sure that we have space below it for the bird's body. This circle is going to be the bird's head. We want it nice and closed at the top, as round as we can make it. And then we're going to add 2 dots in the upper part of our circle for his eyes. We don't want his eyes too far down because then we wouldn't have room to make his beak. It would have to be very small. So we're going to make sure that we make his eyes 2 dots in the upper part of the circle. Now to make his beak, we'll do our little line across. Make the point. There's his beak. Birds don't really have ears that we can see. So if you want, you could put a dot where each of his ears would go, or you can just leave his ears off. Next, we're going to draw the bird's body. The body starts connected to the head, and it's going to curve. We're going to make a nice big oval connected to his head, kind of like the capital letter U. A little more curved on the sides than vertical, but it's pretty similar with a nice curve at the bottom. Next, we'll add wings. We'll come up near the face, right up near where his shoulder would be, and we'll start to draw a curved line for the wing on each side of our bird. There we go. Our bird has wings. The last thing we're going to add are his legs and his feet. He needs 2 legs, so I'll make 2 vertical lines going down for the bird's legs. And then for feet, I'm going to add little lines that slide out in each direction. 1, 2, 3 lines on each foot. And there's my bird. If you want to draw, or if you want to write the word bird with me, that's what we're going to do next. If you're only drawing, that drawing is done. For the word for the word bird, we're going to start with the letter B. Big line down, curve, bump at the bottom. B. I is going to be big line down. We'll do a little line across at the top, little line across at the bottom. R, big line down. They're all the same height because these are capital letters. To finish R, we'll come back to the top of that letter, curve, bump in the middle, and then slide away. The last letter for the word bird is a D. We'll do big line down, move our utensil back up to the top, curve, and bump the bottom. There it is, bird. If we want to write it in lowercase, we'll do big line down, retrace, curve, bump the bottom. There's B. I is a small letter, so we'll do a small little line, the same height as our small letter space for the letter B. A little dot above, and then R is going to be little line down, elevator ride, rainbow curve. There's R. D starts with a curve, and then we're going to go straight up all the way. It's a tall letter, and then retrace straight back down. D. Oh, my B didn't end up the same height as my D, so I'm going to make my D a little shorter. I don't have a writing space to guide my letter sizes. There, that looks a little bit closer to the same height though. There's my word bird in lowercase. That was fun. You know what? I think I'm going to add a little bit of a fuzzy feather head to my bird. There he is. All right. Thanks. Bye.